showing you how to hack a bullet for Call of Duty Zombie 2. Zombie 2, not Zombie 1. Yeah. And you can choose whatever gun you like. I'll be choosing the no. I think I'll choose the FN 2000. Yeah, FN 2000. And later, see an ammo, right? Not bullet, ammo, like 804. Second, go back to the home screen, whatever you have, and yeah, but the game you need to be jailbroken. Yeah, but you need CDR also, jailbroken. Second, if you have CDR, just go in and just search Gamegem on the search bottom, like the toggle thing, and search Gamegem. You'll pop up the diamond icon, like whatever is that, and tap the install or install. I already install it. Yeah, so don't do it. Install it. It'll say like restart your springboard or return the CDR. Yeah. Just return or restart springboard to finish type of password or whatever. Just go to the Gamegem. Second, swipe out the Z2 or B2 and go to party, go to login, go back and go to speed and go back. You will see you can restart back and blah 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 something, the word pop up below, and go back to the normal page. Now, okay, finish already, swipe out already, go back to the game, wait, just wait. Yeah, okay, finish already. Do things and go to the gun, whatever you have, gun. FN 2000, yeah. Second, okay. Second, just see the ammo you have, like what example, like 804, and go to Gamegem and just search from that to 804. Just tap the photo and go to the search it. Wait a second. Okay, if you finish and see some kind of result, and just go back to the Call of Mini. Just need some coin to buy like ammo, like just okay equals to 1204. And go back to the Gamegem, type it again 1204. Type it and type like three lines in the bottom there, and type like got at the bottom in the black screen, right? Just tap the icon like square, tap it equals to like a tick, and go back to the pencil and some kind of line there. Is that a lock? Tap it and put value to the number. I put 9999. Yeah, 69, yeah. Tap modify complete. Just go back to your game and go back to home screen like this, like the game screen, and go back in. There you have, guys, a wonderful bullet for free using hacking. For checking if it works, for the testing, just go to game and go to the mission or something. Just use it for like about like 5 minutes, 5 or 30 seconds or 10 seconds. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, done. Go quit and just go to the person you have, tap the gun. There you have, guys, a testing complete wonderful gun hacking for free. Yes, for free. Don't buy any bullet for game money, yeah. For damage and accuracy and magazine capacity, I can't really hack it, guys. Yeah, sorry. If I can, I'll do it for you guys also. And I hacked these 3 guns. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, never mind. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah, y'all. I like to move it, baby. I like to change this club, bam.